Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have x plus y equals to 100 and xy equals to also 100. We solve this problem for the values of x and y. So here first we call this is our equation number 1 and we call this is our equation number 2. Here in order to find the value of x and y, we first focus on equation number 1, so that from equation number 1 we have here we move this x to the right hand side and we get the value of y is equals to 100 minus x. We call this is our equation number 3. So now we use this equation number 3 in equation number 2, and we need more simplifications here, so that now equation number 2 is implies that this is x into y and the value of y is 100 minus x equals to also 100. So here we need to multiply this x on both of these terms, and it will be written as 100x minus this x by x becomes x square, and it is equals to also 100. So you see here this will becomes quadratic in x variable but not into the standard form. And now here first we write this into the standard form. For this we need to move the terms from left hand side to the right hand side, and it will be written as this is minus x square, it will be written as plus x square. This is plus 100x becomes minus 100x. This is our plus 100, and this whole equals to 0. And now in the next step here we need more simplifications, and now we can solve this quadratic equation by using the quadratic formula. So first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to minus 100, and c equals to plus 100. And we know about quadratic formula, it is stated as minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. This is our quadratic formula, and here we need to substitute the above values of a, b and c here, so that we have the value of b is minus 100. It will be written as minus times of minus 100 and plus minus square root of this is b square, so the value of b is minus 100 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 100, and it is divided by 2 times of a, so here the value of a is equals to 1. So now we can simplify the terms, and we have x equals to this is minus times of minus becomes plus 100, and plus minus square root of this the square root of minus 1 becomes positive, and the square root of the square of 100 equals to 10,000, and minus 4 times of 100 equals to 400, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 equals to 2. And in the next step we have 100 plus minus this is 10,000 minus 400 equals to 9,600, and it is divided by 2. So here we rewrite this equation as 100 plus minus, we write this 9,600 as in this form 1600 multiplied by 6, because 16 times of 6 becomes 9600, and it is divided by 2. So here we need to break this square root sign, and we write it as 100 plus minus, we write it as a square root of 1600 multiplied by square root of 6, and it is divided by 2. So this is the value of x. So after this step you see here the square root of 1600 equals to this is 100 plus minus square root of 1600 equals to 40 into this is the square root of 6, and it is divided by 2. And now here we need to break this fraction, so we write these two separately on both of these terms, and it will be written as x equals to 100 divided by 2 plus minus 40 into square root of 6 divided by 2. So if we cancel these terms, 2 5s are 10 and 0. Here we have 2 2s are 4 and 0. So we have the values of x are 50 and plus minus 20 times of square root of 6. So here this is the values of x. So now in order to find the corresponding values of y, we need here equation number 3, but now first we write separately these two values. So we have here, we write the positive value of x, it is 50 plus 20 into square root of 6, and here we write the negative value of x, it is 50 minus 20 into square root of 6. Okay, so here we copy down equation number 3, so that equation number 3 is implies that y is equals to 100 minus x. This is our equation number 3. And now we substitute the above two values of x in this equation and we get the corresponding values of y. So we have y equals to 100 minus x. The value of x is 50 plus 20 into square root of 6. Here we need to multiply this negative sign on both of these terms and it will be written as 100 minus 50 minus 20 into square root of 6. So 100 minus 50 becomes 50 minus 20 into square root of 6. So this is the value of y, and the corresponding value of x is equals to 50 plus 20 into square root of 6. Okay, so here likewise we need to substitute this value of x here and we get the value of y. So we have 100 minus x. The value of x in this case is 50 minus 20 into square root of 6. Okay, we need more simplification. Now we multiply this negative sign on both of these terms and it will be written as 100 minus 50 plus 20 into square root of 6. So we get the value of y equals to 100 minus 50 equals to 50 plus 20 into square root of 6. So this is the value of second value of y corresponding to the value of x is this. Okay, so finally we have the two solutions of the given equation are here we write the first solution is xy equals to the value of x is 50 plus 20 into square root of 6 and the value of y is 50 minus 20 into square root of 6. This is the first solution, and similarly the second solution is 50 minus 20 into square root of 6 and the value of y is 50 plus 20 into square root of 6. So these are the two solutions of the given equation, and this is the final answer of this question. You can easily verify these two solutions. So in order to verify these two solutions, you need to substitute the values of x and y into the given equation, and clearly you will get you will satisfied both of the given equation by substituting these two solutions. Okay, now I left the verification step for up to you. You can verify these solutions by yourself. And this is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.